Finding the right tool to spot leaks can save you time, money, and stress. The best leak detector can help you quickly identify hidden problems in your plumbing or appliances. In this video, we'll explore top options that combine accuracy, ease of use, and reliability. Whether you're dealing with a small drip or a major leak, these detectors will keep you ahead of the game. Let's dive in. The LEAKTRONICS Pro Complete Kit is a professional-grade solution designed to pinpoint leaks with precision. Whether you're working on pools, spas, or plumbing systems, this kit combines cutting-edge technology with practical tools to help you locate leaks quickly and efficiently. At the heart of the system is the LT1000 amplifier, which utilizes patented leak detection technology to deliver clear audio signals, making it easier to detect even the smallest leaks. The kit also includes a video scope with dye injection, providing visual confirmation for added accuracy. The pressure rig allows for thorough testing by generating distinct sounds at leak points, simplifying the identification process. What makes this kit stand out is its versatile selection of probes, including the soil probe for underground leaks, deck plate with noise filtering for surface leaks, pool scope for underwater detection, and pipe mic for small diameter pipes. This ensures comprehensive coverage for a variety of leak scenarios. Designed with durability in mind, the Pro Complete Kit includes a water-resistant hard-shell carrying case, ensuring your tools stay protected during transport. Plus, with a 5-year warranty and unlimited customer support, LEAKTRONICS guarantees reliability and long-term peace of mind. For professionals who need accuracy, efficiency, and durability, the LEAKTRONICS Pro Complete Kit is an essential investment. With optional add-ons available for expanded capabilities, it's the ultimate toolset for anyone in the leak detection industry. Introducing the LD12 Water Leak Detector, a standout tool for professionals in water utility and leak detection. Designed for pinpoint accuracy, this device provides excellent value and performance. The LD12 features a high-sensitivity ground microphone paired with a low-noise amplifier, ensuring clear detection of even the smallest leaks. It's equipped with 6 selectable filters, allowing users to fine-tune the device to focus on specific leak sounds, whether low or high frequency, ensuring precise localization. The device's large backlit meter display is a key highlight, making it easy to track sound loudness and identify leak locations with ease. Additionally, the LD12 is user-friendly, with a lightweight amplifier and an intuitive filter-through switch that allows the user to hear a broader range of sounds, providing flexibility during detection. The limiter switch helps protect your hearing by cutting off dangerously loud noises, which is especially useful if the sensor is dropped. What sets the LD12 apart is its versatility. With accessories like a ground plate, magnetic base, and contact rods, the LD12 excels in a range of settings, including streets, slabs, hydrants, and valves. Its battery-powered amplifier ensures extended use, providing up to 28 hours of operation with the backlight off. The LD12 is a reliable, affordable, and durable option for water leak detection, offering professional-grade performance without the hefty price tag. It's an excellent choice for anyone in need of precision leak detection with ease and efficiency. Next up, we have the LEAKTRONICS Pipe Probe, the ultimate tool for efficient and accurate leak detection. Designed for professional use, this versatile device is ideal for locating leaks in underground pipes and plumbing systems. The pipe probe combines high sensitivity with a range of attachments, making it perfect for various scenarios, whether you're dealing with concrete slabs, soil, or even compacted surfaces. The probe features a lightweight design that allows for easy one-handed operation, ensuring comfort during long sessions. Its sensitive tip is specially designed to detect subtle leak sounds from deep underground, while the 3-inch listening disc and magnetic disc offer adaptability for hard surfaces like decks or sidewalks. These accessories are particularly useful for plumbers and irrigation specialists looking for pinpoint accuracy in detecting leaks. When paired with the LEAKTRONICS LT1000 amplifier, the pipe probe delivers exceptional sound clarity, enabling users to identify even the faintest leak. The ergonomic handle and detachable probe extensions make it easy to customize the device for different environments, whether you're working in tight spaces or over large areas. For professionals in pool repair, plumbing, or irrigation, the LEAKTRONICS pipe probe is a must-have tool. Its durable construction, precision listening, and ease of use make it an excellent addition to any leak detection kit. Overall, this product delivers reliable results and is a solid investment for anyone in the field of leak detection. Big thumbs up from here! The MGD 2002 Multi-Gas Leak Locator is a game-changer in the world of leak detection. Perfect for professionals in fields like municipal water systems, radiant heating, and underground storage, this tool offers pinpoint accuracy with a sensitivity of just 25 parts per million. What sets it apart is its ability to detect the smallest leaks in pressurized systems, such as storage tanks, pipes, and cables. This multi-gas detector operates seamlessly with either helium or hydrogen as a tracer gas, though helium is recommended for its non-reactive properties. The device is designed for ease of use with a tactile membrane keypad and a backlit display, making it user-friendly in all lighting conditions. One of the standout features is its lightweight telescoping ground probe, which allows for easy maneuvering even in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. The MGD 2002 is also incredibly efficient, equipped with a rapid-charging nickel-metal hydride battery that ensures the tool remains ready for continuous use. Whether you're surveying underground pipes or monitoring systems, its automatic and manual modes provide the flexibility needed for various leak detection tasks. With applications ranging from plumbing to industrial air systems, this leak locator ensures no leak goes unnoticed. For those looking for a reliable, accurate, and versatile leak detection tool, the MGD 2002 is an excellent choice that stands out in its field. It's a must-have for professionals who require high-performance tools for serious leak detection.